Today, Joe Wiessner is at Knoll Run, and we're on Knoll Drive, and we have this lovely condominium. We're going to show it to you right now. It's 276 Knoll Drive. It's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed property of the day here in Blackwood, New Jersey. That's Gloucester Township 08012, and we're on Knoll Drive. We have a lovely 2-bed, 1-bath condo, and as a special surprise here today, I have my office manager / assistant. She wanted to make sure that I was working. It's Jen Morganti.
Hello.
And Jen is of huge assistance to all the buyers that call in. So if you're a buyer and you're looking to purchase here in Gloucester Township, Jen is the person that you're going to be speaking with. How do you feel about this property, Jen?
It's beautiful. I would love it to live here. It's a lot of light, spacious. It's top-notch property.
What are some of the highlights of it, would you say?
The water looking outside. You have a deck. You can sit and read a book and hear the water fall in the background. It's great.
That's really of note here, and it's very close to Valley Brook, which is a beautiful country club. And there's 3 fountains, actually 4 fountains, that are right in proximity to this property. And the sound is lovely, and the landscaping is perfect, really, really outstanding in every way. So this is a 2-bed, 1-bath condo, and it has a lot of upgrades that the seller recently installed. You have the vinyl flooring throughout the entire first floor and the upstairs loft. So you can see copious amounts of space, soaring ceilings, paint is professional, everything in tip-top shape. The kitchen was recently redone, and you have these really great cabinets here. These are all soft touch, and the drawers are high-end, heavy-duty, dovetail jointed, really, really nice. You have a seating area here for your eating kitchen. Everything very tight here. This is your wash room. You got your washer and dryer. You also have your HVAC system. Of course, it's got central air and natural gas heat, and it's public water and public sewer. You got a full bath right here, stand-up shower. You got a furniture grade vanity, everything in really nice condition. The master bedroom, more soaring ceilings. You have the double skylights, plenty of room for a king-size bed. And this is really the star of the show. You have this balcony out here that overlooks the twin fountains, and everything nice and neat back here. And what a gorgeous sight line. Do some work out here, unwind, have your coffee in the morning. The sun comes up in the east, right over that fountain that we're looking at right now. Got plenty of closet space in here, so you could check this out. Plenty of room there, all kinds of open air shelving. And then this is another entrance to the bathroom. So you can get in through the master or the hallway, either or, you pick it. Coming back through upstairs, the loft area, it's got more new vinyl, and you have a really outstanding overlook to the family room from this vantage point. The seller of this unit is using this as a home office and exercise room. You see it's got the Peloton, all kinds of weights and things, but you see how much space there is up here. You could also use this as your bedroom. More skylights, more vaulted ceilings, and you can see the overlook, just tremendous. If you love this video and you love this property, subscribe to the channel. It helps when you're looking for other properties. Maybe you love this one and you're gonna buy it, but if this is not the one, you'll be notified of all the new listings that we obtain, and you could be first to know, and it helps you to win the bid. If you know somebody that is looking in Gloucester Township and needs a beautiful condo, then you could share this video with them. And Jen, who you met earlier in the video, you can give her a call at this number right here, and she'll be able to get you pre-qualified and get you in here. She'll set you up with one of our great agents, and you could tour this property, and you could tour others, of course, as well. 2 beds, 1 bath, Gloucester Township, Blackwood section. Has the lovely fountains all around. Really nice, neat at Knoll Run. Everything is taken care of. You have a tennis court, you have some pickleball courts, you have playgrounds scattered about. The community is really beautifully kept. If you like this one, make your appointment as soon as you can, because I don't think this one is gonna last. And as always, Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.